Hey, my peeps, Miss Yo-Yo is back because we're going to see what's stocked and not stocked in the planter aisle at Joann's and Michael's. Let's go. Now, if anybody knows Miss Yo-Yo, you know Miss Yo-Yo likes a good deal. And when I saw that Joann's was having a planter clearance sale, you know I was all up on it, right? If I'm up on it, what am I going to do? I'm going to bring my girls up on it. So we're going to go to Joann's. We're going to check out the sales over there. We're going to see what they got in stock. Because the word on the street, my planter girls are telling me they can't find planters. So we're going to check out Joann's and Michael's right now. Now, let me set the stage on this sale for you here at Joann's. When you're looking at Maggie Holmes Parkland planters, first of all, they're undated planters. Look at that, $16.97. We're talking 20% off of $16.97. They even have Maggie Holmes in here at $11.97. So 20% off $11.97 Maggie Holmes planter. We're talking Parkland planters and notebooks. All of them are 20% off of that red sticker price. There is a deal up in the planter section, especially in the clearance section here at Joann's. Now, my girls, tell me, what was your best clearance find? Now, I'll tell you right now, I got those Happy Planner sticker books for $7. That was my best so far right now. So you tell me, what was your best clearance find? Leave a comment below. If you're enjoying this video, please make sure you hit that thumbs up, leave a comment. Also, don't forget to share me with any of your planner friends or planner groups. Remember, sharing is caring here in Miss Yo-Yo's videos. Now, this video was inspired by one of my viewers that told me she could not find any planners in stock. So I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and do a video on what's stocked and what's not. So that's how we got here. But let me just tell you, check out that Joann clearance section. Check out the planner aisles. There's red stickers there. There's also red stickers in the clearance section. So I went around the store and found about 3 places that they had planners stocked up in, and that's what brought me here. There is so much new stuff here in this clearance section. The half letters, the planners, they pull a lot of planners. They must be waiting for new inventory to come in. Because let me just tell you right now, I'm going to show you my planner out, and it's in disarray, like they're moving stuff out into the clearance section. But you can find everything here in this clearance section. This is just one of 2 clearance places I checked at my store, okay? So you tell me what your luck has been at your store. Leave a comment below. Now look at this 4-month daily sheets here. Let me tell you, you can get that for under $10 right there, okay? For under $10. That right there is a steal. That is a steal. So check your clearance areas, and we're going to also go over to Michael's. Michael's, I'm going to tell you right now, I was kind of surprised. I was really, really surprised, okay? And let me tell you that there's plenty out there for you girls that have the Happy Planner bigs. We got filler paper like this. We got, you know what? I'll be honest with you. I look for a cheap notebook that's got a great cover. I mean, the cover to me sometimes is worth it. So that's one of the things I look for. Look at these sticker books they've got back in there. They've got stuff jammed everywhere. This is one of my other places that I looked at. They have clearance section. They've got this up front clearance. Then they have a section in the back. And then we're going to check out the planner aisles. But they've got a little bit everywhere in this store. Just ask the people when you get in your store, hey, where's your clearance stuff at? Don't ask them where the clearance section is, but where are your clearance items at, especially the paper crafts. Now, from a planner girl's perspective, here's what I look for, especially with Happy Planner. If I go looking at a notebook and the notebook has a great cover, and then if you look in the inside, it's a reversible notebook and you like that cover too, and don't let there be some metal rings on there. Oh yeah, I'm getting you, okay? I'm getting you because I'm getting great covers, 1 and 2, front and back, and also metal rings. You got to take these things into consideration. How much multiple use can you get out of a clearance item? That's the thing I look at. Now, if you want to see what's stocked at other stores, make sure you check out my playlist. You can check out my Hobby Lobby, my Walmart, and my Target. There's more for you to see in that playlist. Check it out. Now, let me give you another tip. This has worked for me at a couple of stores. If you go into a store and you see an accessory pack, something that's out of package but a little bit damaged and you still want it, some of these packs, somebody opened it and left it out of the pack. I have taken it to the manager or someone in the store and say, hey, I like this, I want to buy it, but it's out of his pack. Can I get an additional discount? Work it, girl, because I'll tell you right now, Hobby Lobby, they're good for this. If it's out of its pack, I'm just saying right now, both times that I've done that, 90% off. 90% off. I've done it at Joann's on 2 items, and the manager there gave me an additional discount. But Hobby Lobby, always make sure if you see something you like and it's out of its package, ask for that additional discount. The worst thing somebody's going to tell you is no. To me, that's only 2 letters. Now, I found a couple of sticker books I had not seen here, a couple of Happy Planner sticker books I had not seen here at Joann's. I've seen them at Hobby Lobby. So I did a few flip through of a couple of sticker books here that I found that I thought was new to Joann's, new Happy Planner sticker books, new here to Joann's, but I have seen them at Hobby Lobby. Now, let me give you a heads up on this. This 20% sale supposedly ends on January 31st at Joann. January 31st, supposedly is the end date on the additional 20% off the red sticker item. They have been known to extend it. So if you go in there, just ask them, hey, are you still doing the additional 20% off the paper craft items? That's what they say. So check it out. They do have it on most of a lot of planner items here, okay? Back in the clearance section, you want to make sure you can get an additional 20% off on anything that's in that clearance section that has a red sticker on it. Now, if you're still here riding shotgun with me, Yo-Yo, I greatly appreciate it. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, leave a comment, and also make sure that all notification is on if you've subscribed. And I don't know why you ain't, but if you subscribe, make sure that all notification is on. That's whether you're new or one of you my regular riders. Now, this is crazy. They're having a clearance sale. They're having a regular sale that's 30% off selected Happy Planner sticker book. Plus, I'm finding some items I had not seen before. It's just crazy up in Joann's. And let me tell you, we're going to Michael's to see what they got stocked, and what they ain't got stocked. A girl got you covered. Now, my planner girls, tell me, what are you looking for? Okay. Are you just window shopping with Miss Yo-Yo? Are you here to look and see, hey, I may have my eye on a sticker book. I happy planner sticker book. Am I looking for a planner? Am I looking for notebooks? Am I looking for that combination notebook on a clearance with a metal ring like Miss Yo-Yo does? You know, I'm always trying to maximize the spend of $1. Tell me what you're looking for. Leave a comment below. Now, I don't know where people are looking for inventory on planner and planner accessories, but Joann seems to be pretty stocked, okay? Now, they may have a lot of disarray up in here, but they're pretty stocked with some happy planners. They have the happy planner sticker books. We got some happy planner accessory kits. That clearance section back there is killing. So you tell me, where have you not been able to find happy planner products? Wait a minute. Let me just change that. Tell me where you haven't been able to find any planners at all or planner accessories. Leave a comment below. Now, y'all know Miss Yo-Yo used to put Joann's JoJo's on a regular. It's been a minute since I've been up here, and it done went all disarray, okay? You know my eyes normally don't look like this. Look at this. Look at this. I do not like this disarray. I didn't see a manager I recognize. I saw one person at the register, which I'll be honest with you, she's a part-timer that I ran into at Walmart last week. This right here, I'm gonna call somebody because my eyes, my planner eyes, they don't look like this. And y'all know it if y'all have watched my videos. I don't go bring y'all up in here looking at something like this. Now look at this. They just throwing the Erin Condren items down here. Erin Condren just got to the party. Y'all can at least make her look decent until they go on sale on a clearance sale. Woo, I'm getting lightheaded. Elizabeth, call me, Elizabeth. I'm coming home, Elizabeth. I'm coming home. Y'all know what I'm talking about. If you old like me, you got it, okay? Woo! Now we're gonna tip on over to Michael's and see what they got stocked and not stocked. But as far as Happy Planner goes, is limited stock. They got a lot of planners here, and they're running a 50% sale on the Happy Planner sticker books and accessories. So I'm going to show you what they got in stock and not stock. Now they had more sticker books, more Happy Planner sticker books than they had planners, but we'll get to that in a minute. But I found some jewels, and that were these sticker books here. They had up here $5. They had several of them. I'm going to do a quick flip through of them. And this paper is like a brownish kind of tan paper. It's not a white paper, and that's what I loved about it. And let me just tell you right now, they were $5, and you know a girl hit it twice, right? So I picked up 2 of these. So check your Michaels out for these little gems that might be hanging. It was on an end cap facing out on the main aisle where I found these at. But these right here were some beautés, and Miss Yo-Yo, you know, she had to hook it up, right? So I got me 2 copies of this particular one. Now here's another one of those little jewels. Now these are older sticker books. I flipped them all over, and they were from 2017. Now, I had never seen these back in the Michael's clearance section. So I'm believing that they pulled these out. They're doing some house cleaning, and they pulled these bad boys out. And I ain't mad at them. Hey, I'll pick it up, okay, for $5. I'm all on it. So check it out at Michael's. They may not have a lot of Happy Planner, but hey, there's some other jewels we can find out there, girl, especially at $5. Now, if you're enjoying this video, please make sure you hit that thumbs up, give me a comment on it, and also remember that sharing is caring. So share me with any of your planner friends or planner groups. Okay, tell me if there's been anything in this video that has caught your eye. Leave a comment below and let me know if there's anything that has caught your eye. Now, these are all of those $5 sticker books that I saw at Michael's. So definitely try to see if you can check those out. They had washi as well. Did have my eye on a couple of washies. But keep your eye out for this little jewel that they've thrown out there to give us a little something, something. Now, for my girls that are checking out Michael's for planners, let me just say right now, my Michael is pitiful, okay? Ain't nothing up in there. The man just said, I don't know what's going on. Tell me what your experience has been at Michael's trying to find planners or happy planners. Just leave a comment below and let me know. Hey, my girls, Miss Yo-Yo the ride has come to you, and I appreciate your riding shotgun with me to go to Joanns and Michael to check out what's stocked and not stocked in those planner aisles. And don't forget, share me with any of your planner friends or planner groups, and a girl to see y'all win. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.